honestly guys, this was supposed to be a Valentine inspired look. How it turned out to be this, like this, I don't know. I have no idea. Can this even pass for a Valentine inspired look? I don't know guys, I really don't know.
If you see the mommy, a royal majesty, we can find like this.
Hi guys, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Ewami. If you're yet to meet me, and some people call me Shante. So if you're seeing my face for the very first time, it simply means that you are not part of this gang right here, and we would love to have you here. So feel free to click on that subscribe button that is right on your screen. It's not going to click itself, so just go ahead and click on that subscribe button. As you can tell, I was gunning for a Valentine inspired look, so I would have loved to be able to say that today I'm bringing to you guys this Valentine inspired makeup look, but we're going to scratch that. So if you like to see how I created and got about this look that I have on right here, let's jump right into it. So guys, to start with today, I'm going to be rushing over my brows so that this video won't be too long. So I'm going to fix my brows off camera and I'll be right back. So yeah, my brows are done, and I'm just going to, before I start any application of makeup, I'm going to be going into this vitamin C serum from Ewami Essentials that I've been using for a while now. So basically, yeah, this thing has been really good to me. I love how it makes my skin feel. It's kind of really peppery when you apply it, especially when you have like spots and stuff on your face like I do, but it sinks into my skin. It's water based, it's not oily as other serums that I use on my face, and because I have a very oily face, this has been my go-to because it just dries down matte and disappears into the skin. So as you can see, it's already like dried down into my skin, so I'm just going to wait for my skin to absorb that in, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to proceed to my eye makeup. And just so that I get a hang of what exactly I'm going to be doing with my eyes, I'm going to go off camera, fix this eye, and then we're back to fix this other one on camera. Okay, so I'm back with one eye done. This eye didn't turn out as beautiful as I expected, but we are going to like make it work because I don't have more choice right now. So starting off with my YangaBeauty eyesuarrance eyeshadow primer, I always use this thing. I'm going to be applying this all over my lid area as a base for my eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be blending that all over my eyelid area. So that has blended out. Now I'm going to be going into my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to be taking both of these colors first. Taking the lighter color first, I'm going to be using my Nuban Beauty blending brush. I'm going to dig into that, and I'm just going to apply that all over my transition area. Take a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to go into that darker color just to deepen my crease area, and I'm packing this in my outer V area as well. Back with the first brush just to blend out every harsh line. I'm going to leave this as it is now, and I'm going to proceed to cut my crease with the same YangaBeauty eyesuarrance. I'm going to be going a little above my crease area because I want like a significant lid space. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now I'm going to be going into this very orange pigment. It's a random pigment that I got from Amazon. It's even unbranded, but this is what it looks like. It gets messy real quick, so I'm very afraid to even show you. And I'm going to be packing that in the center of my lid area. Note that I'm focusing this in the center, and I'm just going to move it out, outwards and inwards a little bit. This is what we have. For the inner portion of my lid area, I'm going to be going into this BMO Fairy Dust powder in 04. This is a highlighting powder, but because it's very glowy, I'm going to be using that in the beginning part of my lid area. And just to avoid any harsh line in that beginning, I'm going to like drag it into the orange a little bit. To blend out the outer portion of my eye, I'm going to be going into the purple in this palette, and I'm just going to be packing that in that outer corner. And I'm blending it into the orange as I'm doing that. Okay, so I'm going to drag a little bit of that purple into my crease area just to like define it a little bit more. And I'm going to take the first brush that I used and I'm going to use that to blend out the crease area so that all those colors blend together. So for my crease area, just to hide this thing because the pigment isn't like applying as precisely as I want it, I'm going into the OA Cosmetics glitter liner. This is in the shade Silky and that is just going to help me to hide that line. Okay, so that is done, and because I didn't want to line my eyes separately, I waited till this point to have my eyes lined. I'm going to be going into the OA Cosmetics pen eyeliner and I'm going to be using that to line my eyes. So my liner is done now. It took me a while to get this right and I still don't even think it's right. I'm going to be applying some mascara just so that the color on my eyelashes can go away before I apply the lashes itself. And this mascara is the BMO 4D Lengthening Mascara. So I'm going to be going into the 360 Beauty Mink Lashes in the style Ayomide, and that's what I'm going to be applying on my eyes today. So yeah, my lashes are on now and it's time to move over to the skin. To prime my skin today, I'm going to be using the Ewaronke Perfect Lock Face Primer, and I'm just going to be applying this in my T-zone area. I'm going to be using the SooPro Hydra Glow Mist just to make my face glow from within. Okay, so to like cover my dark spots before applying foundation, I'm going to be going into the LAgirl Pro Orange Corrector and the shade Beautiful Bronze. I'm going to be mixing both of these concealers together. So now that I've been able to cover the most part of the jaga on my face, I'm going to be going into my foundation. And for today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline FitMe foundation in 355. So my foundation is in now and I'm going to move straight to highlighting and contouring. So for my highlights, I'm going into the ColourPop's concealer in 44. Just blending out that concealer. So for my contour, I'm going into my black Opal stick foundation in black walnut. I'm just going to be using that to like chisel out my face just a little bit. I'm just going to go back into my foundation brush just to ensure that everywhere is blended. There are no harsh lines and everything is just properly blended into my skin. So now that the skin is done, it's time to set. My friend at Nike's Canvas got me like the most perfect gift anybody could have gotten for me at this point in time, and it's the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey. And I'm so hyped to try out this powder for the first time. I've been seeing a lot of people rave about this powder and I wouldn't have used my money to buy it because it's quite expensive for me living in Nigeria, Lagos to be precise, and then my friend shipped it down to me all the way from Canada. I'm going to be setting my under eye area with this powder right now. I'm just going back in with my puff just to be sure that there is no creasing yet. So I'm going to take my beauty sponge, I'm going to dip it into this thing and I'm going to set. Oh my god, this powder smells so nice. I like literally love how this smells right now. Most setting powders are odorless and this one just smells like perfume. So while this is setting on my face, I'm going to go into my under eye area. I'm going to go back into the pigment that I used in the center of my eyelid area, the orangey one, and I'm going to put that under my eyes. To deepen this up a bit, I'm going to be using the purple that I used in my outer corner. Just going to be putting that on top of this. Finally, for my under eyes, I'm going to be going into the Mabrook pencil in black and I'm just going to be lining my waterline with that. I'm just going to be applying some mascara on my bottom lashes just to make it pop some more. It would be be unfair for me not to apply any color in my inner corner. Like, it would be unfair to my inner corner. So I'm just going to be applying the Nuban Beauty highlighting palette. Just going to be using this one right here to dust off all of the excess powder on my face. I'm going to be using the Maybelline FitMe matte poreless powder. Gonna lie, I really like how this powder like finished on my skin. Like, it is goals, man. I'm so used to my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and this one right here, can you like see how it just blended right in? Like, I don't have that extra yellowness that I get whenever I use the Sacha powder. I mean, guys, I wasn't expecting this powder to disappoint me anyway. So that setting powder is bae. Now that we have all the powders all blended out, it's time to add the dessert on the face. So I'm going to go first into the Nuban Beauty D-glow highlighting palette. And I'm going to be using my two favorite colors from that palette to highlight my face. Blush, I'm going to be using the Milani baked blush in red vino, and I'm just going to be applying that very slightly. We're almost done here now. For my lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with a BMO lip pencil in 01, and I'm going to be topping that up with the Milani Brilliant Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Bare Secret. To seal up all of this, I'm going to be using the YangaBeauty Set to Go. So yeah, that is how we came about this whole entire look. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you feel that this look can pass for a Valentine inspired makeup look or not. If you can wear this out with bae on Valentine's Day, let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Yes, I'm reminding you guys once again because I want y'all to be part of this family. So yes, I'll love to see you guys in my next video, and with that being said,